So you've got the BJP attacking the Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge over his comments on Amit Shah's holy dip, saying this is an insult to Hindu sentiments, not just to the BJP, not just to Home Minister Amit Shah. BJP Sambit Patra even mocking Rahul Gandhi, saying that he can go ahead and take a dip all he wants in swimming pools, but do not mock when someone takes a dip in the Triveni Sangam, in the holy waters for Hindus. You've got the BJP there lashing out, saying that this clearly is a comment against Sanatana Dharma by the Congress leadership. Remember that this attack by the BJP comes after Mallikarjun Kharge, speaking at a social justice rally in Madhya Pradesh, mocked Home Minister Amit Shah, saying that BJP leaders are competing to take holy dips and these dips will not eradicate poverty. The BJP is questioned whether any of the Congress leaders will make such comments about other religions. As you see these live images coming in of Home Minister Amit Shah in Prayagraj, being a part of pujas, attending several events, visiting the Akhada priests, the Akhada sadhus as well. You've got the Congress questioning his entire visit and saying that BJP is spending money on competitive holy dip politics instead of alleviating people from poverty. Kharge making this comment even as he said that Modi and Shah cannot atone for their sins. You've got a slew of reactions that have come in with, in fact, Hindu groups saying that this is an attempt to target Hinduism, that Kharge has never made these kind of comments about any other religion. The VHP has invited Kharge to come and take a holy dip in Prayagraj to wash away his sins with the comments he's made. And now the BJP is saying that this is an attack on Sanatana Dharma by the Congress, by Mallikarjun Kharge. These comments coming in even as there's been no statement from the Congress on whether they stand by what Mallikarjun Kharge has said, whether they back his comment. So far, remember, Kharge's comment has triggered a slew of reactions with religious groups, Hindu groups saying they're extremely offended by the comment, and BJP saying that this is an attack on Sanatana Dharma. On the left of your screens are live images coming in of Home Minister Amit Shah in Prayagraj. You can see him with his family members there going ahead and paying their respects to several seers there in Prayagraj. So an all-out political showdown playing out over Home Minister Amit Shah's visit to Prayagraj after Mallikarjun Kharge's comment now, where in fact he said that Modi and Shah can't atone for their sins and this competitive holy dips will not help the country. Maushami Singh is joining us with more details on this. Maushami, huge outrage among Hindu groups over the comment that Kharge has made, saying this isn't an attack on Amit Shah, this is an attack on Modi, this is an attack on Hinduism, this is an attack on Hindu sentiments. Does the Congress stand by the comment made by Kharge?
So clearly when Mallikarjun Kharge made those comments, he said that his comments can be
Don't think we have Maushami's audio with us. We'll get back to her in just a bit. Maushami was highlighting how Mallikarjun Kharge, while making this statement, actually said that I don't intend to hurt anyone's astha, but then goes on to make these series of comments saying taking a holy dip will not eradicate poverty. BJP leaders are lining up one after another. There's competitive holy dip politics going on. So this is what's led to this controversy. Let's play out for you exactly what Kharge said.
ये मोदी के जो झूठे वायदे जो बोलते हैं उसमें मत जाओ। अरे भाई, गंगा में डुबकी लेने से गरीबी दूर होती क्या? आपको खाना मिलता पेट को? मैं किसी की आस्था के ऊपर ठोस नहीं लगाना चाहता हूं। अगर किसी को दुख हुआ तो मैं माफी चाहता हूं, लेकिन आप बताइए, अरे जब बच्चा भूखा मर रहा है, बच्चा स्कूल में नहीं जा रहा है, मजदूरों को मजदूरी नहीं मिल रही है, जब ये है तो ये लोग जाकर हजारों रुपए खर्च करके कंपटीशन पे डुबकियां मार रहे हैं। कंपटीशन में एक डुबकी मारता दूसरा, और जब तक वो टीवी में अच्छा नहीं आता तब तक डुबकी मारते रहते हैं।